Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre on this spring equinox. And what that means is that from an astronomical point of view, winter is now behind us, and for the next 6 months our days will be longer than our nights. Let's move ahead to the forecast for today, and a front has already made landfall over the southwestern coastline, bringing a bit of rain to the area. That will clear out as the day goes on, and at the same time the front will push rain in along the southern coastline and the adjacent interior, and by this evening moisture is going to be moving in across the east coast. It's going to become very cloudy, and along with that light rain will settle in along the coastal areas and somewhat further inland. For the rest of South Africa, it's going to be a mostly clear and dry day. There is once again a high fire danger warning in place for much of the central parts, including around Gauteng. A closer look at today's rainfall, and we see rain spreading along the south coast, scattered showers likely for the Garden Route as well as the Overberg in the Western Cape, things clearing up further westwards, rain making its way up the east coast, pushing further into the interior later on, and by late afternoon there will be a possibility for a couple of thunder showers over the far northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures for today are going to rise well above 30 degrees for the northern parts of the country, in particular for the Lowveld, where many areas will be getting close to 40 degrees Celsius. Hot as well for some parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but Pietermaritzburg already cooling down with a maximum of only 22. Towards the coastline, we see windy weather for both Port Elizabeth and East London. Moderate winds moving towards KwaZulu-Natal's coastline coming in from the south, while we still have an easterly swell over the area. Much colder conditions settling in for the southern parts of the country, all areas below 20 degrees Celsius, but with a bit of increased sunshine this afternoon for Vredendal, you'll reach a high of 22. A wintry day lies ahead for the southern coastline of the country, with temperatures in the mid-teens, lots of cloud as well as the rainfall in the area keeping temperatures lower. And it's also going to be a cooler day for the Northern Cape. Uppington reaches a maximum of 25 degrees. Windy weather is going to develop once again for Alexander Bay. Fresh winds developing this afternoon, a moderate southerly wind for Cape Town with a high of only 16 degrees, and we have low tide coming into the area at just after 1 o'clock this afternoon. Heading into tomorrow, and it's going to be a cloudy, cold and wet day for KwaZulu-Natal, much of the rain taking place in the morning, while it's going to be another sunny and hot day for Gauteng.